Okay, so this is the PiperWai charcoal deodorant, and I have actually been using this brand of deodorant for years and years and years. Since the first time I saw it on Shark Tank, I actually ordered some, and it's charcoal based, and it used to be coconut oil and clove. It's really hard to read these tiny description here, but there's, I do see clove oil there, so there's that. But and it does smell, still smells like clove oil and stuff. But yeah, it's really good, and it was very, very, very effective. And it actually comes with this little cap that was on the top of that right there, but I took that off. And so anyway, yeah, PiperWai deodorant, love it. It's good stuff. They actually sent this to me so that I could show it to you. This new one here, which I haven't started using yet, but I've been using PiperWai forever and ever and ever. So anyway, good stuff, and it works really, really well. Very effective, even for hot, sweaty Arizona. So good stuff.